Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating a complete gas detection system using the MQ2 gas sensor, Arduino Uno and a 20 by 4 LCD inside the Proteus Simulation. If you are a beginner and want to understand how gas sensor works and how to display their reading in the real time, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. Before moving into the circuit, I would like to tell you the basic introduction of this sensor. The MQ2 gas sensor is a very popular and a specialized sensor used to detect multiple types of gases, especially uh, LPG, methane, butane, and other gases of the same kind. Basically, based on the type of model, it has one output, that is the digital output, and some gas detection sensors have more than one output, that is, they show the analog values as well, but the one we are using will show the digital value only. For this project, we need to install some basic libraries in the Proteus. The first one is obviously the gas sensor library for the Proteus. The second one is the LCD library for the Proteus. And the third one is the Arduino library for the Proteus. So once you have installed all of these, you can now create the gas sensor project. So let's open our Proteus ISIs, where I have created the project for you. As you can see that this is the gas sensor MQ2, and it has this test pin that will be served as the input pin, and the output will be provided here. For the clear declaration of the result, I have added this LED here. So whenever the user will input um, a digital value 1, the LED will be glowing here, and vice versa will be for the 0 value here. The output of this pin will be fed into the Arduino digital pin 7. Arduino will continuously check the status of this pin, and after that it will send the signal to LCD, where all the results will be shown. So to make it workable, we'll need the Arduino code. So to control this Arduino code, we will need this Arduino IDE. To use this, if you are using the liquid crystal library for the very first time, you have to obviously install it first, because by default it is not in the Arduino IDE. So let's understand the code. In the very beginning, we'll include the liquid crystal library, and after that I'm declaring here the pins of the LCD connected to the respective pins of the Arduino. As you can see here, I have defined the sensor pin 7 here. If you remember, I have just told you that the sensor pin 7 is connected to the LED of the output. So after this declaration, I have used the setup function that will provide the introduction of this project. Basically, Arduino will check this for only once. So I have added the introduction here. After that, we all know that the loop function of the Arduino is used to declare the code that is required to be tested by Arduino microcontroller for multiple times until we close it by ourselves. So Arduino will continuously check the state of the output pin of the sensor, and after that it will convert the information into the um, results that are shown on the LCD. So once this is ready, the code is ready, we have to make a connection between the circuit and the code. So to do this, we'll need to have the hex file address. Whenever the user compile the code for the first time in the Arduino IDE, it creates a hex file into the system, and we just need to have the path of that file, hex file, so we'll fed it into our microcontroller. So how we are doing this? The simplest way is to verify the code along with multiple pieces of information. It will provide us the hex code file address, as you can see here. We just have to copy it without the quotation marks. See, copy it, go to your circuit, double click and paste it here as I have done before, and click OK. Now, if you are using this library for the very first time, you have to include its hex file, that is saved into your system. So for that, you just have to double click it, click this portion, and after that you have to provide the path of the file you have saved into your system when you were installing the library. Click OK. Now the circuit is ready to test. This is the introduction that was fed into the setup function, and at the moment it is saying that the sensor output status is safe because there is no gas around the sensor. Whenever I'm turning it to 1, as you can see here, it says that the output says that gas is detected, and there is a there is a danger that the harmful gases are present around this sensor. So hopefully this video was very useful for you, and if you have any question you can ask. The application of this project are very simple. Basically we can see that multiple projects are using this sensor, and these some of very obvious examples are kitchen LPG leak alarms, smoke detection and fire safety system, industrial gas leakage warning systems, some smart home and IoT automation, vehicle gas leakage monitoring, emergency ventilation system, and multiple others. So if you find this video useful, you can appreciate us through the comment section.